Welcome to Absolute Flavors. Today I am going to make a different vindaloo. Generally we make chicken, pork and meat vindaloo. Today I am making a veg vindaloo, that also with bitter gourd. Please cook it and suggest your suggestions or comments through comments box. And please watch my channel and like and share it. Let's cook how to make bitter gourd vindaloo.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make bitter gourd. So here now we have finished chopping a bitter gourd. We have to chop bitter gourd of this thickness. Now we have to fry our bitter gourd in oil till they turn to light golden brown color. Now let's fry them well. First let's switch on the stove and place a kadai over it. Now into this we have to add oil sufficient for frying our bitter gourd. Now let's add oil into this kadai. Now we have added oil. Let's wait till it's heated up, and once our oil is heated up, then we can add our bitter gourd and fry them well till they turn to light golden brown color. Now our oil is heated up. Into this let's add our chopped bitter gourd. This is a very easy recipe which can be made within no time. This doesn't require much ingredients. So now by the time our bitter gourd gets cooked, let's prepare our masala paste. So let's see the ingredients required for making masala paste. For making masala paste, we need 1/4 teaspoon of menthi, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let's add them into a mixer jar. And after we add them, we have to add red chili powder and ginger garlic paste. Now into this we have to add red chili powder. Let's add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. If you want the dish to be more spicy, you can add red chili powder. If you want the dish to be less spicy, you can add Kashmiri chili powder. Now into this let's add ginger garlic paste. Let's add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and we have to grind it well, and later we can add water if needed. So now we have grinded well. Now we need to add a little bit of water into this. Let's add water and paste it well again. So now our paste is ready over here. So now let's see. So now since our paste is ready, now let's see how far our bitter gourd is cooked. So now our bitter gourd is cooked well. It has turned to light golden brown color. Let's transfer it into a plate. So into the same kadai which we use for frying bitter gourd, let's add onions and fry them till they have turned to golden brown in color. So now our onions are cooked well. Now let's transfer them into that same kadai which we use for frying onions. Let's add our masala paste and cook it well. Everyone try this recipe. So now we have added masala paste into the kadai. Now let's cook it well. Now our masala paste is cooked well over here. We can see the oil above. That indicates that our masala is cooked well. Now into this we have to add tomatoes. Let's add half cup of tomatoes which have been chopped into small pieces. We have to cook them slightly. Let's cook them slightly. Now our masala paste and tomatoes are cooked well over here. Now into this let's add our fried onions, and we have to cook it well. Now into this let's add water so that our mixture becomes in the form of a gravy, and we have to cook it well. Normally we make pork vindaloo or like meat vindaloo. So this is a veg vindaloo. Try this recipe. Surely you'll be loving it. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And let's also add 1 teaspoon of sugar into this gravy. And now let's mix this up well. This mixture gives a great taste. And whenever we make vindaloo, mustard seeds are the main ingredient. Let it be any type of vindaloo, you'll be having the flavor of mustard in it. Normally we add raw mustard seeds, that is non-roasted mustard seeds, which are taken in the form of paste. Now into this let's add salt as per taste, and let's mix this well. And we have to boil it. Once it starts to boil, we can add a fried bitter gourd. Now our gravy has started to boil. Now into this let's add a fried bitter gourd. We have to cook this bitter gourd well with the gravy. It's very easy and you can make it within no time. Now our bitter gourd is cooked well with the gravy. So our bitter gourd vindaloo is ready over here. So it was very easy peasy. Everyone try this recipe. It doesn't require much ingredients, and this is a veg variety, and surely you'll be loving this recipe. Now let's transfer this into a serving bowl. Like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be coming up with more videos. Stay tuned to my channel.